This is what my journey started. And this is I started installing a new belief system. This is very important. Write a note. Install a new belief system. Because what happened, this is the thing. This is why I'm talking about. I'm not giving you a gyan. Okay. My intention is not to motivate you. I'm not a motivational speaker, by the way. Okay. My intention is to shake you, to give the strong reason of why. Because I believe jab tak why strong nahi hoga, you will not succeed. Okay, you will fail. And what happens once you fail, you will never restart. So isliye why ko strong karna bahut zaruri hai. Okay, and then these all thing I start putting out in my subconscious mind, and this all thing I build a belief system. What you can do more than what you are. This is what I learned from Tony Robbins. You have immense potential. If you read this book, Awaken Giant Within You, you will find that we humans are very special. Every body are divine. Make a note. Every human body are divine. Okay, and they have a power to do something amazing in your life. बशर्ते कि आप ready होना चाहिए. Okay, so you can do more what you are, and trust me, you can create your life. But thing is that if you want to create your life, you have to ask a quality question. You have to always challenge yourself. Okay, so the root is challenge. Make a note. For everything, the root is challenge. Challenge yourself. Okay, and raise. This is a very important statement I have learned from Tony Robbins. Raise your standard. This is very powerful. Make a note. Okay, this is very powerful. Raise your standard. Never let you down. Never settle down for less. Suppose you are doing right now, because this talks about the evolution. If you really want to get success, you really want to build a business, you always have to evolve. Okay, for example, the phones, right? Phones, we get a lot of versions. Every year, iPhone release a lot of versions. So they are raising their standard. But as a human, if you suppose in the business, in job, whatever, okay, it applies everywhere, whether you are doing a job or business, are you raising your standard? And where this will come from, when you start asking quality question. Quality question में बहुत ही दम है, my friend. Trust me. If you know the power of asking quality question to yourself, if you start challenging yourself, make this word, note this word, your life will change. Okay, so always raise your standard, and this make your belief system. This install the statement in your brain, subconscious mind. I will raise my standard every year. I will evolve every year. This is my belief system I'm talking about. Okay, because see, starting a business, technical, these all things is very easy. Trust me. अगर आपका ये foundation clear नहीं है, this all thing which I'm talking about. Okay, आप कुछ भी करना चाहोगे ना, you will always find यार मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे से नहीं होगा, लगता है मेरे को कुछ कमी है, I have a fear, मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा, ये डर आपको हमेशा आएगा. Okay, so first of all, ये जो fear है ना, you have to conquer that fear, and you can do that. Every human has a power to do that. Trust me. Okay, so raise your standard and create an impact. If you want to build a business, if you want to make money, if you want to create wealth, think about how I can create my impact. Okay, and how I can contribute. Trust me, spirituality talk about, because I read a lot of things about spirituality. You guys, we all human body, we all human souls here. We have come here on this earth to create our impact. Make a note. You are here to make your impact. Okay, and this is your duty to contribute in society. So these are the principle I'm talking about, my friend. Okay, I'm not talking about business here. Okay, I want to make your foundation ready right now. So these are the principle I'm talking about. Okay, raise your standard, ask quality question, challenge yourself, always challenge yourself, create your impact, contribute in society. Okay, and this is very powerful, which I'm talking about right now, reconditioning. Okay, how many of you know the concept of reconditioning? Well, I can talk about for hours on this in this topic, reconditioning. Okay, this is my favorite topic, by the way. I teach these all concepts. So what is reconditioning talks about? See, whatever you are today right now, maybe you are in job, you're doing business, whatever. Okay, you are here because you have reconditioned yourself. Suppose you are doing job, whatever you're doing right now. Okay, you are doing because you have been reconditioned since childhood. आपको बचपन से इन्हें कंडीशन कर दिया गया है, एंड दैट इज वाई वी स्टार्ट डाउटिंग आवर सेल्फ, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा, क्या मैं स्पीकिंग कर पाऊंगा, क्या मैं वीडियो क्रिएट कर पाऊंगा, क्या मेरे से हो पाएगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव दिस डाउट, सेल्फ डाउट, यार मेरे से होगा, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा, कर पाऊंगी, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू हैव बिन कंडीशन लाइक दैट. मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस, ओके? Reconditioning. Okay, so you can be, see, this happen unconsciously. आपने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि मैं जो जॉब कर रहा हूं, whatever I'm doing right now, because I have been conditioned to do that. If I'm struggling right now, because I have been conditioned to do that. If I have a fear, then I have been conditioned for that. Okay, recondition. So आप अगर if you understand this concept, you can recondition, you can reset अपने सिस्टम को, अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम को, you can reset everything. And now from here onwards, you can recondition yourself for success. You can recondition for achieving abundance. You can recondition yourself to become wealthy. This is, we all humans have given the power. वो power आपके पास है. We all human have this divine power. Thing is that we never activate the power within us. Okay, so we have an immense power. So reconditioning, I teach about reconditioning, how you can recondition yourself to achieve success. Okay, so you might be, why I'm talking about this whole thing, because these are the belief system, my friend. See, starting a business is not a rocket science, but अगर आपके पास वो belief system ही नहीं है, अगर आपके पास वो software ही नहीं है कि I can do wonder, okay, then you will always self-doubt. How many of you here, my friend, do a self-doubt? There are a lot of chattering happen. यार मैं कर पाऊंगी, मैं कर पाऊंगा, डर लगता है, या I will, what happens if I fail? How many of you have this kind of fear in your life or brain? Can you put in chat box? Anybody here want to share that sometimes I procrastinate, sometimes I have a fear, डर लगता है. Sometimes I feel that I'm not good enough. I cannot do this. मेरे से नहीं होगा. I'm not capable. I have no ability. This is because you have been wrongly reconditioned. Okay, and this everything you can change. Trust me. And this is what I learned. Okay, so business start करने से पहले, my friend, you have to do self mastery. Make a note. Okay, and this is what I have done. Okay, why am I sharing that? Because I have gone through this all cycle. Because I have seen a lot of bad time, good time, mostly bad time. Okay, and if you don't do self mastery, what will happen? No, something will fail. Why am I sharing? Because I have seen that if something will fail on your journey, you will start doubting yourself. कुछ नहीं किया, okay? मान लो, suppose you're doing webinar for like this and something is not happening. Suppose you're creating a videos, something is not happening. Suppose you're running ad, you're not getting leads, something is happening. Okay, something, you started a business but you're not getting profit. What will happen? We start shaking up because you have not set your belief system. आपका software अभी ready नहीं है to start a business. Okay, and these are the main challenge will come. So first thing I will suggest you do a self mastery. This is my humble request. Okay, so make a note, my friend, self mastery.